Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we provide insightful tutorials and practical tips to help you navigate the online world. In today's video, we're going to delve into the topic of managing your Facebook page and specifically focus on adding administrators to your page. By delegating responsibilities and streamlining your page management process, you can optimize your page's performance and achieve greater success. So, let's dive deeper into this essential aspect of Facebook page management. To begin, ensure you have your Facebook account details ready. Log into your account and navigate to the Facebook home screen. Once there, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll find a menu. Within this menu, locate and click on the Pages option. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker route, simply click on the menu button located on the right side of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Pages. This will instantly take you to the desired section. Now that you've arrived at the Pages section, take a moment to appreciate the pages you manage. Reflect on the progress you've made and the engagement you've fostered with your audience. Once you're ready, choose the specific page where you wish to add administrators. As you access the page you've selected, you'll find yourself on the familiar dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access a range of powerful tools and features to enhance your page's performance. However, for now, our focus is on adding administrators and expanding your page management capabilities. Look to the left side menu within the dashboard. Amongst the options, you'll notice one called the Professional Dashboard. Click on this option to unlock a whole new array of professional features and settings for your page. It's time to take your page to the next level. Within the Professional Dashboard, you'll find a section titled Page Access. Think of it as a hidden treasure chest overflowing with administrative powers. Clicking on this section will unveil the key to unlocking those powers and granting access to additional administrators. Now that you've entered the Page Access section, you'll discover the ability to add administrators to your page. Locate the prominent Add New button and click on it. Watch as a magical input box appears, beckoning you to take the next step. As you consider the individuals who would make valuable administrators, start typing their names in the input box. Facebook's powerful search feature will assist you in finding the right person from your connections. Choose wisely, as administrators play a crucial role in maintaining and growing your page. Once you've entered the desired individual's name, take a moment to double-check for accuracy. Attention to detail is essential to avoid any inadvertent errors. When you're confident that you've selected the correct person, click on the Give Access button. But hold on, there's one more vital step to ensure the security of your page. In order to fortify the protection of your page, Facebook requires an additional verification step. Enter your Facebook account password in the provided field. This ensures that only you, the rightful owner of the account, can grant access to administrators. Congratulations! An admin invitation has been sent to the individual you've chosen. They will receive a notification alerting them of the invitation, and they can then decide whether they wish to accept the role of administrator. By extending this invitation, you're effectively passing them the keys to your digital kingdom and entrusting them with shared responsibilities. It's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. If, at any point, you need to remove an individual's access, you can do so with ease within the Page Access section. Simply locate the name of the administrator you wish to remove and click on the Remove Access option. This ensures that you retain control and maintain a cohesive management structure for your Facebook page. In conclusion, adding administrators to your Facebook page is a simple yet significant process that empowers you to delegate tasks, share responsibilities, and streamline your page management. By leveraging the capabilities of administrators, you can optimize your page's performance and unlock its full potential. And there you have it, folks. You've reached the end of our tutorial on adding admins to your Facebook page. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, adding admins to your page can help you streamline your social media management, delegate tasks, and ensure that your page is in capable hands. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone looking to expand their online presence, having a team of admins can make a world of difference. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials on all things social media. We're here to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in the digital world. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers and we're always ready to lend a helping hand. Thank you so much for watching.